detail what's the similarity between cancer and pollution. That is stable, cures slowly, and we only know the problems when it's too serious. But do you know what makes them different? It's the chance. You may have no chance to cure cancer, but with pollution, you still have chance for practical action. Ladies and gentlemen, we are futuristic microalgae.
Untreated sewage is discharged into rivers, which affects marine life and people living nearby. So, our solution is futuristic microalgae for wastewater treatment. Besides wastewater treatment, microalgae are used in making biofuels and health supplements. This shows the microalgae breeding process at our University of Da Nang lab. SH5 system is used to separate biomass and clean water.
Well, we provide an environmentally friendly solution utilizing microalgae to treat wastewater. At the same time of getting profits from purifying wastewater in seafood factory, we connect seafood factories in the purpose of extending our capability in treating wastewater. After a period of 5 to 7 days, the mixtures of wastewater and microalgae is put through electrolysis in order to separate the water and the biomass. We employed a self-designed IT system which allows us to control farming tanks such as lightness, humidity, temperatures, and cleanliness via our app and website. The water is then clean enough to be discharged into the environment, and the biomass will be sold to other organizations to produce into and treat pellets for replacing for coal and other burning materials, biofuel, and fish meat, which can be sold to agricultural enterprises. About business model canvas. The groups of customers that we target are seafood plants and enterprises wanting to purchase our biomass. Our core value is to provide a completely environmental friendliness project to ensure occupational safety. The next part is scalability will be given to you by my partner, Sabrina.
Well, so how do we know this is a potential project? As you can see here, the water and wastewater treatment market is growing at a symbolic annual growth rate of 7.1% to reach over $300 billion by 2022. In China, this number is $58.2 billion for the startup time, which is expected to own 0.001% of the market share because it fits with our capability as well as our resource as present. Within these 3 years, $591,000 is our target number of profits. To reach this, we will expand the scale to 7 wastewater treatment equipment, cooperate with many other seafood factories, and spread all over the country. What truly makes our profits expand day by day is that our raw material is microalgae. Therefore, the initial cost is negligible. So, how do we make money to achieve this rate? Our revenue source mainly comes from purifying sewage from seafood factory, as well as selling algae biomass. Therefore, our total estimated revenue would be more than $120,000. Moreover, as an environmental startup, we will enjoy 15-year tax incentives, of which we don't have to pay any taxes for the first 4 years. This is also another motivation for us to keep up with potential environmental projects. Once again, we are futuristic microalgae. Let's give our planet a chance to keep its pure water source. And thank you so much for your listening.